What is Ramu uncle doing?
Come, let us go and find out.
Ramu uncle, what are you doing?
I am trying to count my ducks. But I know to count only up to 10.
Ramu uncle, don't worry. I can count. Let me then count for you.
Buzz, let us count the ducks in groups of 10. Then it is easy to count.
Okay, let us count and group them in tens. Okay, there are 5 groups of ducks. There are 10 ducks in each group. Meenu, how many ducks are there? Hey Buzz, you said you can count. I can, Chinu, but...
Okay, let us count now. There are 5 groups of ducks. There are 10 ducks in each group. So, it is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So, there are 50 ducks here.
But there are more ducks left. So count them, Buzz. But I can count only up to 50. Oh, Buzz, let me help you. After 50, it is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Oh, after 59 comes 60. There are more ducks. Can I count now, Meenu? You don't know to count, Buzz. How will you count? It is easy, Chinu. I know 60. After 60, it is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 69,
70. After 69 comes 70.
Oh, Chinu, help Ramu uncle. Some ducks are running away. Meenu, hold Raja. He will run after them.
Chinu, did you catch them? How many were there?
There were 10 ducks, Meenu. Now, Ramu uncle has 80 ducks. 80 ducks? How? After 70, it is 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. So, Ramu uncle, you have 80 ducks.
Thank you, children.
Hello, Ramu.
Hello, Grandma. The children helped me count the ducks.
See, Ramu, you should also learn to read and write. You can then take care of your ducks. You can keep your money correctly. No one can cheat you then.
Yes, Grandma, you are right. I also want to read and write.
You can join the evening classes in the village. Join the class today itself.
Yes, Grandma, I will. Thank you.
Bye, Ramu uncle.
Do you want to come to the market with me? I have to buy some vegetables.
Market? That will be lots of fun. Let us go, Grandma.
Hello, Sita. Why are you sad?
Hello, Grandma. I have to sell these eggs, but I don't know how many eggs I have.
Sita auntie, we can help you. Come, Chinu. Let us count the eggs.
Okay, there are 10 eggs in each of this. Let us count them now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Chinu, stop. What is 90? I know only up to 80.
Buzz, after 80, it is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90.
So after 89 comes 90. Chinu, there is one more. Okay, let me count now. Buzz, listen carefully. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. Oh, after 99 comes 100. Sita auntie, you have 100 eggs with you now.
Thank you, children. Now I am happy. I know I have 100 eggs.
Sita, you should also learn to read and write.
Yes, Grandma. I feel so bad that I cannot read, write or count.
Why don't you join the evening classes at the village?
But Grandma, I have lots of work.
Sita, everyone has work. It is only for 1 hour. You should join the classes today itself.
Okay, Grandma. I'll join the classes today itself. Next time I'll count the eggs myself. Thank you, children.
Bye, Sita auntie. Now I am so happy. I can count up to 100.
Yes, you know how to count up to 100 now. Friends, will you repeat after me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100.
Friends, do you want to count with me? Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You keep counting. Count up to 100. I have to go and eat honey.
Shall we match now? Five tenths, 50. 6 tenths, 60. 7 tenths, 70. 8 tenths, 80. 9 tenths, 90. 5 tenths, 50. 6 tenths, 60. 7 tenths, 70. 8 tenths, 80. 9 tenths, 90. Will you help Monku count the bananas? Five tenths, 4 ones. 54. 5 tenths, 7 ones. 57.
tens, 5 ones.
$55. Will you help Rabbit count the oranges? Six tens, 2 ones. $62. Six tens, 8 ones, $68. Six tens, 9 ones, $69. Will you help Sheila count the pencils?
Seven, tens, 8 ones.
$78.
Seven, tens, 7 ones.
$77.
Seven, tens, 5 ones.
$75. Will you help Buzz count the flowers?
Eight, tens, 8 ones.
$88.
Eight, tens, 2 ones.
$82.
8 tens, 6 ones.
86. Will you help Sahil count the matchsticks? 9 tens, 1 ones. 91. 9 tens, 5 ones. 95. 9 tens, 9 ones. 99. Will you help Parrot fill up the missing numbers? Friends, look carefully at the flashing box. Then you have to give your answer loudly. You can write in your notebooks also. Shall we start?
One,
52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
$61, $62, $63, $64, $65, $66, $67, $68, 69,
70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99,